have today new modern Samsung washer, but it's not operable. There's no way to turn it on. Instead it's connected to the power. We're gonna check what has happened. Something with the electronics looks like. So we disassembled it and just discovered all the user interface, control board, include the fascia, need to be replaced. We're gonna replace it with one brand new received from the Samsung. So repair is done. User interface, control board and fascia was replaced. We can see it's fully operated washer. Everything is good, everything is working fine, and that's it.